Hi, I'm Barb, and today I'm doing a little cooking in my kitchen. As you can see, I've got a few overripe bananas here that I wanted to use instead of throwing them out. So I thought I'd make a recipe for some banana chocolate chip muffins, which is actually one of my favorite. The recipe is easy to make and includes some healthy ingredients, including coconut oil, nuts, and you can use any kind of nut that you like, whether it's walnuts or almonds or pecans. Also includes some ground flaxseed, and my favorite right here, chocolate. Includes some chocolate chips. So basically what you do is you take your dry ingredients and measure them into a separate bowl and set them aside. And then in your mixer you want to mix the other ingredients, and when that's all thoroughly mixed together, then you want to add in your mashed bananas. And then what you want to do after that is spoon your batter into your prepared muffin tins and bake for approximately 18 minutes. When the timer goes off, you can take them out of the oven. And just let them cool for a while and enjoy. You can find this recipe on my website at Barbara Rogers Online. Just click on recipes, or you can find it on the blog. If you're looking for other tasty recipes, you can check out my book, Holy Cow, A Simple Guide to Eating and Living. You'll find recipes as well as ways to eat healthier and live a healthy lifestyle. And you can find it on Amazon. Thanks for tuning in.